Vevor, tough tools at half the price. Welcome to our unboxing of the Vevor Sewer Snake. Today I will be showing you the unboxing of this Vevor Sewer Snake, or as it is called in the ad, electric drain auger, a 50-foot by 3/8-inch drain cleaning machine. And I'll show you the simple little assembly. I have Johnny opening the box up. On the side of the box, we have support and e-warranty certificate. Not sure what that's all about. All right, we got it open. It's a little tough here.
You have to take it out.
It's in there snug.
Okay, just hold this. I'm gonna just turn it over. Yeah, it's on here.
Yep.
Gonna flip this box over to get it out. It's a little too heavy just to lift up that way.
Okay, let's see what we have.
Oh, you just lift this up. Lift it from your side.
It's taped.
Wow, this is pretty well packed. Besides the styrofoam, it has the corners and all these corners to support it. This looks better packaged than most of the electronics I get. It has more tape on the side. Connie, get the side over here. That's it. Alright. Okay. The packaging is pretty impressive.
Whoa.
Okay.
Definitely be reading this manual.
Half the price. We'll see.
I felt it range off.
Let's see. And we have the handle.
Get that.
The wheels.
The wheel.
One of the reasons I bought this particular unit, this is the wheels to make it an easy transport. And you have 4 interchangeable cutters. You have the arrow, the spade, the boring bowl.
This is a cutting edge.
It's all packaged in here, nice and neat.
This is the one for the roots, like to cut the roots.
Yeah.
This is for the clogs. This
is what I was looking for.
Is there a motor on here?
Get that out of the way. We're going to lift this up and put it there.
I'll lift it.
Oh, no, stop.
I got it. Just hold it.
Oh, just wait. Okay, we're going to put it on this one here. Ready?
Told you I could do it.
Alright. Get that box. This one here. Put it back in here.
Purchased this from Home Depot. I did find another unit online. I'll link it down below for less money, but it didn't have the wheels. So if the wheels aren't important and you're looking for this machine, check out my affiliate link down below.
Are we unwrapping it?
Yeah. I have to tell you, there's plenty of styrofoam for a piece of equipment. I didn't show it, but the box had a little rip on the outside, and it doesn't seem like it affected the styrofoam.
You're on the back of it. You're on the back of it.
Hold it.
Motor's already attached.
It was upside down.
This is the front.
This over here is
Doesn't
where
look
the
like
wheels
much. It looks
got
like the handle, and I believe just the wheels
See
have.
this?
Yep.
The axle will go through to hold the wheels right here.
Go this way.
Oh, I got it. Okay.
Okay. The motor and drum are already attached.
Alright, let's put these wheels on. Get that axle in there.
Is there supposed to be a nut that goes on it?
It's in that box.
Oh, yeah.
Now this is good. We have this GFCI built right into the power cord. And to make it easy to control, we have this air-activated foot switch. The drum itself is metal. We have a clutch, reverse, forward. Even the cable was secured in the wrapping. The drum is belt-driven, similar to a clothes dryer. Not sure how powerful it will be, but we'll find out. We have the directions right on the cover, easy to follow. Well, that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay safe.